So in the video, we talked about how planets can come in many different shapes and sizes and things like that. And yeah, there are a lot of different conditions in which a planet can have, which I didn't know that before the video, so I found that very interesting. And the basis of it is that most planets have to be in the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too cold or too hot for life to be sustained, and which is very true, I believe. Our Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, and I feel like being outside the Goldilocks zone, it would be nearly impossible to find alien life. However possible, I do feel like it's unlikely, just due to how how we perceive how life should be. So I'm assuming if they were extraterrestrial, they would breathe oxygen and things like that, but possibly not. And so, yeah, let's just say, for example, they're on a planet, like the planet he described in the video, that's completely frozen, but it's consistently on fire. I don't believe any life could survive on that type of planet, regardless of not having water, food, shelter, anything like that. It's just that the, the conditions are too volatile and dangerous that people or things wouldn't be able to survive there. Unless, they're specifically adapted for that, which would be pretty cool, I believe. So, TLDR that it's hard to find a planet that's inhabitable by humans, and finding other life forms, I feel like it would be difficult due to just the little number of planets that are closely related to Earth, and which we feel like is the basis needed for all life. So,